Well, now we have a very simple way to be able to use kind of human testers to point out bugs directly in the user interface and, have like go over a workflow, say, here is a problem. It could be usually look and feel problems. This icon is the wrong color, this text is wrong, etc. Right? So now you could go through and say, for instance, this does not comply to style guide, and do this very quickly inside the user interface using the automated testing tool. But I mentioned before that you can use bug, and there is one advantage of doing that. So let's say I create here a bug, and this could be like X some ID, and then it would be problem with elephant style. Well, I think the elephant looks just fine, right? I just want to illustrate what happens if you report it as a bug instead. So let's go ahead and just record something here. And here, of course, we want to use visual bugs again. So you can just minimize that and put here visual bugs. So it's the same thing. You'll record the bug as usual. You'll basically just make this big and highlight the problem, saying, for instance, this elephant should be should elephant I should write this correctly though. Elephant should be bigger. So the elephant should be bigger. So let's try and see what happens when I play this, right? So I'll go ahead and play it, and of course it tells me the elephant should be bigger. The only difference here that is good is that, let's say I'm logged in here as just a visual tester and I'm not touching the regular automated test. I might only have rights to write into this bug module. And the other thing you can do is that as soon as you save, this bug report shows up. And now, of course, I can now assign this, or, you have the different workflows here and say, hey, assign it to me, and I'll go ahead and submit this. And what's going to happen is that a link to this test case is going to be emailed to the person's email address. So if I go in here and let's say I look for Busang, we should be able to see that there was a TR assigned to you, and it also tells you what was the problem. The elephant should be bigger, right? And I can just click here, open the TR in Busang. So directly from your email, you can launch the tool and replay the bug. So it's just a way, if you have a dev team who are not currently working in the tool, you can assign it to other team members that are managed under team here, by the way. And you just hit play, and it's going to take you directly into the user interface and show you the bug. So it's just really a teamwork function that is pretty smooth when working in big teams.